Hello and welcome back to another episode of The Wonder and the Blunder. Game week 9. Let's go. Today's episode is going to be something that everyone have already predicted. You guys should be knowing the outcome because the wonder of the week and the blunder of the week is going to be coming from the last game of game week 9, and it's going to be the biggest game. It's supposed to be the biggest game, and both teams they played the same game, and this is my wonder of the week and blunder of the week. So I'm straight away going to dive into the action. My wonder of the week, despite Chelsea trashing Norwich 7-0 with the absence of Romelu Lukaku, Timo Werner, 7-0, it's an expected result, and it's Norwich City. My wonder of the week supposed to be Chelsea. This was what I did last week as well. I supposed to give it to Liverpool, but yeah, so the same thing happened again. I'm supposed to be giving it to Chelsea, but no, I have to give it to Liverpool this week. It's Jurgen Klopp's Liverpool. They deserve the wonder of the week. Before I even talk about what happened to my team, I would like to say that Liverpool had total dominance in Old Trafford. Mo Salah is also, in fact, Mo Salah is my wonder of the week. The reason is because Mo Salah has actually scored a hat-trick in Old Trafford since, I think this is not done by any player since 1936, and it's a big achievement. Another milestone completed by Mo Salah. It's not Anfield, man, but the way the game went, it really feels like it was in Anfield. Tremendously played by Liverpool. No chance at all. Naby Keita, who was doing all kind of bits. I think I've talked too much about this in all my post-match and my analysis and even in my live video. The whole Liverpool squad, they are really perfect as a team. And looking into a team like Chelsea, Man City and Liverpool, Chelsea and City definitely have the players, they have the financial support from the board. But Liverpool as a team, you can see how strong they are with their manager as well. So my wonder of the week is simply Liverpool. 5 goals against Manchester United, which is my wonder of the week. Manchester United, what can I say? What can I say about this team, man? Every single fan out there, almost 99% of fans were expecting the departure of Ole Gunnar Solskjaer after this ridiculous, absolutely disastrous defeat in the hands of our biggest rival in English football, Liverpool. 5-0 at home, man. Can you imagine how that will bury for the next decade? This will still go on as a big achievement for Liverpool. And Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, yet again, even in my blunder of the week, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer has appeared so many times, man, and it's always on the downside. I wonder how is he still here. It's like the board just trying to polish a piece of shit which can never be done anything, man. Oh my god. So yeah, my blunder of the week is the whole team, the whole Manchester United club itself, because first of all, the board, why it's so incompetent that you still keep a person who don't even deserve to be there. Alright, and second is Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Despite that game, that ridiculous game against Atlanta, he came out to bring out the same squad, and then he made a disastrous change. I even talked about this in my tactical. And then, being a club legend himself, he's still trying to hold on and trying to prove everyone wrong, which people still feel like, come on, you're giving him time up to the Spurs game, and then the Atlanta game, and then the City game. What's the point? What's the point? Even if he wins the game, what's the point? There's no point of it. People have lost. He lost the trust. It's like the trust is gone. I wonder why he's still here. fans will never get excited until the next manager is being announced. That's definite. And definitely the players themselves have to be blamed for certain mistakes. The spirit is not there, the charisma, everything is just shattered. United as a team is totally a disaster at the moment. So yeah, so I'll just keep it short here. As I was saying, my wonder of the week is Liverpool for their brilliant team as a one team, and my blunder of the week is Manchester United again, guys, again. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, because as a United fan, I don't enjoy this video. Take care, stay safe, to subscribe to Football Blacks TV. Until the next time, Savage Manmadan. Peace!